Bienvenue to Simply French, where you can sound like a Parisian even if you still think croissant is a tongue twister. Today, we're unlocking 150 French phrases that'll help you breeze through real conversations without sounding like you've just emerged from a language textbook. In English, we say good morning. In French, we say bonjour. Say it again, bonjour. In English, we say good evening. In French, we say bonsoir. Say it again, bonsoir. In English, we say hi. In French, we say salut. Say it again, salut. In English, we say goodbye. In French, we say au revoir. Say it again, au revoir. In English, we say see you soon. In French, we say à bientôt. Say it again, à bientôt. In English, we say see you tomorrow. In French, we say à demain. Say it again, à demain. In English, we say good night. In French, we say bonne nuit. Say it again, bonne nuit. In English, we say how are you? In French, we say comment ça va? Say it again, comment ça va? In English, we say I'm fine, thank you. In French, we say ça va bien, merci. Say it again, ça va bien, merci. In English, we say and you? In French, we say et toi? Say it again, et toi? In English, we say what's your name? In French, we say comment tu t'appelles? Say it again, comment tu t'appelles? In English, we say my name is. In French, we say je m'appelle. Say it again, je m'appelle. In English, we say nice to meet you. In French, we say enchanté. Say it again, enchanté. In English, we say thank you. In French, we say merci. Say it again, merci. In English, we say thank you very much. In French, we say merci beaucoup. Say it again, merci beaucoup. In English, we say you're welcome. In French, we say de rien. Say it again, de rien. In English, we say please. In French, we say s'il vous plaît. Say it again, s'il vous plaît. In English, we say excuse me. In French, we say excusez-moi. Say it again, excusez-moi. In English, we say sorry. In French, we say pardon. Say it again, pardon. In English, we say yes. In French, we say oui. Say it again, oui. In English, we say no. In French, we say non. Say it again, non. In English, we say maybe. In French, we say peut-être. Say it again, peut-être. In English, we say of course. In French, we say bien sûr. Say it again, bien sûr. In English, we say okay. In French, we say d'accord. Say it again, d'accord. In English, we say I don't understand. In French, we say je ne comprends pas. Say it again, je ne comprends pas. In English, we say do you speak English? In French, we say parlez-vous anglais? Say it again, parlez-vous anglais? In English, we say I speak a little French. In French, we say je parle un peu français. Say it again, je parle un peu français. In English, we say can you repeat, please? In French, we say pouvez-vous répéter, s'il vous plaît? Say it again, pouvez-vous répéter, s'il vous plaît? In English, we say where are the restrooms? In French, we say où sont les toilettes? Say it again, où sont les toilettes? In English, we say how much does it cost? In French we say combien ça coûte? Say it again. Combien ça coûte? In English we say it's too expensive. In French we say c'est trop cher. Say it again. C'est trop cher. In English we say help me, please. In French we say aidez-moi s'il vous plaît. Say it again. Aidez-moi s'il vous plaît. In English we say I need help. In French we say j'ai besoin d'aide. Say it again. J'ai besoin d'aide. In English we say I'm lost. In French we say je suis perdu. Say it again. Je suis perdu. In English we say what time is it? In French we say quelle heure est-il? Say it again. Quelle heure est-il? In English we say today. In French we say aujourd'hui. Say it again. Aujourd'hui. In English we say tomorrow. In French we say demain. Say it again. Demain. In English we say yesterday. In French we say hier. Say it again. Hier. In English we say I'm sorry. In French we say je suis désolé. Say it again. Je suis désolé. In English we say no problem. In French we say pas de problème. Say it again. Pas de problème. In English we say it's possible. In French we say c'est possible. Say it again. C'est possible. In English we say it's important. In French we say c'est important. Say it again. C'est important. In English we say I don't know. In French we say je ne sais pas. Say it again. Je ne sais pas. In English we say I think so. In French we say je pense que oui. Say it again. Je pense que oui. In English we say I'm tired. In French we say je suis fatigué. Say it again. Je suis fatigué. In English we say I'm hungry. In French we say j'ai faim. Say it again. J'ai faim. In English we say I'm thirsty. In French we say j'ai soif. Say it again. J'ai soif. In English we say I'm hot. In French we say j'ai chaud. Say it again. J'ai chaud. In English we say I'm cold. In French we say j'ai froid. Say it again. J'ai froid. In English we say it's good. In French we say c'est bon. Say it again. C'est bon. In English we say where is. In French we say où est. Say it again. Où est. In English we say to the left. In French we say à gauche. Say it again. À gauche. In English we say to the right. In French we say à droite. Say it again. À droite. In English we say straight ahead. In French we say tout droit. Say it again. Tout droit. In English we say the bus stop. In French we say l'arrêt de bus. Say it again. L'arrêt de bus. In English we say the train station. In French we say la gare. Say it again. La gare. In English we say the airport. In French we say l'aéroport. Say it again. L'aéroport. In English we say one ticket, please. In French we say un billet, s'il vous plaît. Say it again. Un billet, s'il vous plaît. In English we say round trip. In French we say aller-retour. Say it again. Aller-retour. In English we say one-way trip. In French we say aller simple. Say it again. Aller simple. In English we say what's the next stop? In French we say quelle est la prochaine station? Say it again. Quelle est la prochaine station? In English we say where can I buy? In French we say où puis-je acheter? Say it again. Où puis-je acheter? In English we say I'd like to buy. In French we say je voudrais acheter. Say it again. Je voudrais acheter. In English, we say, how many do you want? In French, we say, combien en voulez-vous? Say it again. Combien en voulez-vous? In English, we say, I'll take it. In French, we say, je le prends. Say it again. Je le prends. In English, we say, do you have a larger size? In French, we say, avez-vous une taille plus grande? Say it again. Avez-vous une taille plus grande? In English, we say, do you have a smaller size? In French, we say, avez-vous une taille plus petite? Say it again. Avez-vous une taille plus petite? In English, we say, it's too small. In French, we say, c'est trop petit. Say it again. C'est trop petit. In English, we say, it's too big. In French, we say, c'est trop grand. Say it again. C'est trop grand. In English, we say, do you have this in red? In French, we say, avez-vous ceci en rouge? Say it again. Avez-vous ceci en rouge? In English, we say, where is the checkout? In French, we say, où est la caisse? Say it again. Où est la caisse? In English, we say, I'm just looking. In French, we say, je regarde seulement. Say it again. Je regarde seulement. In English, we say, can I try it on? In French, we say, puis-je essayer? Say it again. Puis-je essayer? In English, we say, that's a good price. In French, we say, c'est un bon prix. Say it again. C'est un bon prix. In English, we say, do you have a menu? In English. In French, we say, avez-vous un menu en anglais? Say it again. Avez-vous un menu en anglais? In English, we say the bill, please. In French, we say, l'addition, s'il vous plaît. Say it again. L'addition, s'il vous plaît. In English, we say, is the tip included? In French, we say, le service est compris. Say it again. Le service est compris. In English, we say, I'm allergic to. In French, we say, je suis allergique à. Say it again. Je suis allergique à. In English, we say gluten-free. In French, we say sans gluten. Say it again. Sans gluten. In English, we say vegetarian. In French, we say végétarienne. Say it again. Végétarienne. In English, we say I don't like that. In French, we say je n'aime pas ça. Say it again. Je n'aime pas ça. In English, we say I love that. In French, we say j'adore ça. Say it again. J'adore ça. In English, we say it was delicious. In French, we say c'était délicieux. Say it again. C'était délicieux. In English, we say a coffee, please. In French, we say un café, s'il vous plaît. Say it again. Un café, s'il vous plaît. In English, we say some water, please. In French, we say de l'eau, s'il vous plaît. Say it again. De l'eau, s'il vous plaît. In English, we say de l'eau, s'il vous plaît. In English, we say with milk. In French, we say avec du lait. Say it again. Avec du lait. In English, we say without sugar. In French, we say sans sucre. Say it again. Sans sucre. In English, we say breakfast. In French, we say le petit déjeuner. Say it again. Le petit déjeuner. In English, we say lunch. In French, we say le déjeuner. Say it again. Le déjeuner. In English, we say dinner. In French, we say le dîner. Say it again. Le dîner. In English, we say a table for two. In French, we say une table pour deux. Say it again. Une table pour deux. In English, we say I'm reserving a table. In French, we say je réserve une table. Say it again. Je réserve une table. In English we say, what time do you open? In French we say, à quelle heure ouvrez-vous? Say it again. À quelle heure ouvrez-vous? In English we say, what time do you close? In French we say, à quelle heure fermez-vous? Say it again. À quelle heure fermez-vous? In English we say, is it open? In French we say, c'est ouvert. Say it again. C'est ouvert. In English we say it's closed. In French we say c'est fermé. Say it again. C'est fermé. In English we say I'm on vacation. In French we say je suis en vacances. Say it again. Je suis en vacances. In English we say I'm here for work. In French we say je suis ici pour le travail. Say it again. Je suis ici pour le travail. In English we say I'm staying 3 days. In French we say je reste 3 jours. Say it again. Je reste 3 jours. In English we say I miss you. In French we say tu me manques. Say it again. Tu me manques. In English we say I love you. In French we say je t'aime. Say it again. Je t'aime. In English we say I like you. In French we say je t'aime bien. Say it again. Je t'aime bien. In English we say I'm happy. In French we say je suis content. Say it again. Je suis content. In English we say I'm sad. In French we say je suis triste. Say it again. Je suis triste. In English we say I'm angry. In French we say je suis en colère. Say it again. Je suis en colère. In English we say I'm nervous. In French we say je suis nerveux. Say it again. Je suis nerveux. In English we say I'm afraid. In French we say j'ai peur. Say it again. J'ai peur. In English we say I'm busy. In French we say je suis occupé. Say it again. Je suis occupé. In English we say I'm free. In French we say je suis libre. Say it again. Je suis libre. In English we say that's a good idea. In French we say c'est une bonne idée. Say it again. C'est une bonne idée. In English we say that's a bad idea. In French we say c'est une mauvaise idée. Say it again. C'est une mauvaise idée. In English we say what are you doing? In French we say qu'est-ce que tu fais? Say it again. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? In English we say where are you going? In French we say où vas-tu? Say it again. Où vas-tu? In English we say I'm going to the hotel. In French we say je vais à l'hôtel. Say it again. Je vais à l'hôtel. In English we say I live here. In French we say j'habite ici. Say it again. J'habite ici. In English we say it's my first time here. In French we say c'est ma première fois ici. Say it again. C'est ma première fois ici. In English we say is it far? In French we say c'est loin. Say it again. C'est loin. In English we say is it near? In French we say c'est près. Say it again. C'est près. In English we say I have a reservation. In French we say j'ai une réservation. Say it again. J'ai une réservation. In English we say there's a problem. In French we say il y a un problème. Say it again. Il y a un problème. In English we say it's an emergency. In French we say c'est une urgence. Say it again. C'est une urgence. In English we say call an ambulance. In French we say appelez une ambulance. Say it again. Appelez une ambulance. In English we say call the police. In French we say appelez la police. Say it again. Appelez la police. In English we say I lost my passport. In French we say J'ai perdu mon passeport. Say it again. J'ai perdu mon passeport. In English, we say I lost my wallet. In French, we say j'ai perdu mon portefeuille. Say it again. J'ai perdu mon portefeuille. In English, we say my phone is broken. In French, we say mon téléphone est cassé. Say it again. Mon téléphone est cassé. In English, we say where is the pharmacy? In French, we say où est la pharmacie? Say it again. Où est la pharmacie? In English, we say it hurts here. In French, we say j'ai mal ici. Say it again. J'ai mal ici. In English, we say I'm sick. In French, we say je suis malade. Say it again. Je suis malade. In English, we say I need to see a doctor. In French, we say je dois aller chez le médecin. Say it again. Je dois aller chez le médecin. In English, we say do you have any medicine? In French, we say avez-vous des médicaments? Say it again. Avez-vous des médicaments? In English, we say it's dangerous. In French, we say c'est dangereux. Say it again. C'est dangereux. In English, we say it's safe. In French, we say c'est sûr. Say it again. C'est sûr. In English, we say be careful. In French, we say faites attention. Say it again. Faites attention. In English, we say have a good trip. In French, we say bon voyage. Say it again. Bon voyage. In English, we say congratulations. In French, we say félicitations. Say it again. Félicitations. In English, we say happy birthday. In French, we say joyeux anniversaire. Say it again. Joyeux anniversaire. In English, we say happy new year. In French, we say bonne année. Say it again. Bonne année. In English, we say Merry Christmas. In French, we say Joyeux Noël. Say it again. Joyeux Noël. In English, we say good luck. In French, we say bonne chance. Say it again. Bonne chance. In English, we say cheers. In French, we say à votre santé. Say it again. À votre santé. In English, we say enjoy your meal. In French, we say bon appétit. Say it again. Bon appétit. In English, we say well done. In French, we say bien joué. Say it again. Bien joué. In English, we say have fun. In French, we say amuse-toi bien. Say it again. Amuse-toi bien. In English, we say get some rest. In French, we say repose-toi bien. Say it again. Repose-toi bien. In English, we say let's go. In French, we say on y va. Say it again. On y va. In English, we say here we go. In French, we say c'est parti. Say it again. C'est parti. In English, we say take care. In French, we say prends soin de toi. Say it again. Prends soin de toi. In English, we say see you later. In French, we say à plus tard. Say it again. À plus tard. In English, we say have a nice day. In French, we say bonne journée. Say it again. Bonne journée. And voila! 150 everyday French phrases to help you sound confident, not clueless. Whether you're ordering a croissant, asking for directions, or just trying to survive small talk, you've now got the tools to keep the conversation flowing. Huge thanks to AirLearn for making French feel a little less intimidating and a lot more fun. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more No Fluff French, and drop a comment with the phrase you're most excited to use. À bientôt. And remember, fluency starts with one simple phrase at a time.